Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact model and current firmware version, so you download the correct image. Once done, format a USB drive to FAT32 and copy the firmware file to the root. Make sure the vehicle battery is stable or connect a charger. Next, power off the head unit, insert the USB, and power the unit on while holding the reset or specific update button to trigger the bootloader. This starts the update sequence reliably. You now follow the on-screen prompts and select the firmware file when prompted. The process is hands-on but straightforward. Keep the USB inserted and avoid touching power. Interruptions corrupt the flash. During flashing, monitor progress bars and logs. They indicate package verification and partition rights. If the package contains multiple parts, install in the exact order the manufacturer prescribes. Once each stage completes, the unit will usually reboot automatically. Let it cycle fully before any further action. You finish by checking the system settings to confirm the new firmware version and then restore any backed up settings. Once restored, run audio, touch, and connectivity tests to verify normal function. Calibrate touch or steering controls if the unit requires it. If the unit fails to boot or shows errors, try one key troubleshooting tip. Reformat the USB to FAT32, recopy the firmware from a different download, and retry using another USB port or drive. That resolves most failed updates.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.